Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to lock or unlock applications on this TV. For this, simply go to settings and tap on all settings. Then here you can see the option general and privacy. Tap on this one. Tap on parental settings. Here you can see the option app lock. So here we can set the installed application to lock or unlock. Then select the option app lock. So here we can see all the installed applications from this TV you can see here. And first of all, you need to select the application that you want to lock. So here I am going to select the application, this Extreme Play, Airtel Extreme Play. Then select the option lock. Tap on this one. Here we need to enter our parental PIN. Now this application is locked. So if you want to use this application, you need to enter the PIN. And if you want to unlock, again select the application, and here you can see one drop down box, and from here you want to select the option unlock, enter the parental PIN. That's it. Now it is unlocked. So simply in this way we can lock or unlock applications on this TV. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.